Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome to our channel HMS Tech Tip. In our today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can enable night light on your Windows 10. So before we start the video, I have a small request. Please subscribe the channel to get every updates and give a like to the video. So let's get into the video. So if your Windows 10 is updated, you will find your nightlight on the action center, and here is the logo of notifications. Click here. Here is the nightlight. Click here. Here you can see my display is becoming dark than before. So here you can see the white is not so clear because of night light. So I'm turning off night light to see you the difference. Here you can see this is without night light and this is with night light. This night light will help you to protect your eyes from the blue light of computer display, and you can also increase your brightness and decrease your brightness in the action center. So if the video helps you, don't forget to give a like, do comment please, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.